Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
Open Google Maps and sign into your Google account before starting the change. Make sure location services are enabled on your device. Confirm the app is updated to the latest version in your App Store. Tap your profile picture once to open the main menu. Select Settings and then choose Navigation Settings from the list. Stay on the navigation page to find vehicle icon options and other driving preferences. Start turn-by-turn navigation to reveal the on-screen vehicle icon selection. Drive or simulate a route so Maps shows the navigation arrow on your screen. Tap the current arrow icon once while navigation is active to open alternate icon choices. Scroll through the small selection and find the car icon you prefer. Tap the car icon to select it and then resume navigation to confirm the new vehicle appears on the map. The change is visible immediately during active navigation. If you cannot change the icon, force close the app and relaunch it before retrying. Try restarting your device if the icon selection still fails after relaunch. Keep Google Maps updated since new versions improve navigation features and icon options. Remember, some regions or accounts may not show alternate icons due to server settings. Use a simulated route or offline map to test icon changes without actually driving anywhere. Check that your Google account sync is active and location permission.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.